So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up an Amazon Fire TV stick step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But inside the box, you're going to see the Fire TV stick, the remote, a power adapter, a USB cable, batteries, and an HDMI extension cable just in case the stick doesn't fit directly into your TV. Begin by grabbing the Fire TV stick and plugging it into an HDMI port on the backside of your TV. If there is enough space, use the HDMI extender cable that comes in that box. From here, connect the USB power cable to the Fire Stick. If your TV does have a USB port, you can use that, but for best performance, it is recommended to plug it into a wall adapter instead. From here, take your remote, slide off the back cover, insert in the AAA batteries, turn on your TV, switch the input source to the HDMI port where you plug that Fire Stick into, and after a moment, you should see the Fire TV setup screen. To pair the remote, go ahead and press the home button when prompted, and then press the play and pause button to continue. Choose your language, follow the on-screen instructions, sign into your Amazon account, and you can use a QR code to do this. But it really is as simple as that. Your Fire TV stick is now going to be fully set up and ready to use. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.